Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well and getting lots of decoration ideas from my channel Home Decor 974. Like every time, this time I have brought you new decoration ideas. In today's video, our title is about modern kitchen design ideas, kitchen cabinets design ideas, kitchen false ceiling design ideas, Friends, kitchen is very important in home. It enhances beauty to your house. If you are new to our channel and you want to get all the new and latest videos of home decoration, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. After subscribe to my channel, press bell icon. Also share this video, comment on this video. That's all friends. Now I am going. Take care. Goodbye.